Alright guys, look at this. It is snowing out there. This is my backyard. It's snowing like crazy. So today we're going to enjoy ourselves and go outside. So let's get going. It looks like Cookie is all ready to go outside and have some fun. Maybe we'll play around, throw some toys around. So let's get going. Alright, first things first, we gotta put our snowsuit on. So this is my snowsuit. It's one large suit, so let's put that on. Alright guys, this is what I look like for my snowsuit for outside. It's pretty good, so we're gonna head out there now and see how everything's out there. Well, we're outside guys, this is my backyard, it's all snowy. You can see up to here, it's up all the way up to my ankle. And so here's Cookie's ball. We're gonna throw it to her. Cookie! She's playing with it now. Alright guys, we're back inside. She is done playing with her green ball, but she's still playing inside. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a blessed day.